Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today we will be doing another unboxing video, which is the first one I've done in quite a while. And this time we have Rool. So yeah, I picked this up from Best Buy today. And yeah, now we'll be unboxing it. I got this since, well, I don't have Rool in my Amiibo collection yet. And he was also on sale for $9, so that's pretty cool. But let's get this opened up with my handy dandy pair of scissors. I'm gonna try to not ruin the box because I like how it looks, because it looks cool. But yeah. There we go. So yeah, now I got him out. Here's the packaging for anyone that wants to see it. Pretty cool. Yeah, I kind of miss that. I kind of miss how they used to have the Amiibo and stuff on the back and showed what it did, but now it just has this generic looking back. But let's move these scissors aside. Let's get Rool out of the plastic thingy. And there he is. I also noticed that he has this little thingy on the front. I'm pretty sure Bowser's has that too. But here's Rool. And first impressions, he looks pretty good. I like how they used gold for this part. And how they used gold for his ring wrist thing. And also for the crown. That looks pretty cool. I also like the cape. I like the texture they gave it and how it's like ripped at the back. I really like the detail on his scales. I like how they actually detailed that. And all the gold and stuff. I also just realized he has this little clear stand thingy holding him up. I like how it's not too noticeable. Since it's like hidden behind his foot. And it's also hidden by the cape. So that's cool. Here's his face. It's pretty good. It's accurate to his Smash Brothers render. He looks very crazy. But yeah. There's his cape with this jewel thingy. Yeah, and here's, oh wait, I already mentioned the cape. I like the detail they got back here. And the base is the same as the rest of the Smash Bros. Amiibo. But yeah, quick little spin. And now I will be scanning this into my Switch and be doing a quick match with it. So let's do that. All right. So now we are in Smash Bros. And we will be scanning the Rool Amiibo. So let's do that. Let's pick the me, then we'll just name it King A Rool. Oh, space. This actually space. Then we'll just together. King Rool. And then let's scan the Amiibo again and saved. Now we have King Rool, so that's cool. We'll just pick his default costume for now. Yes, these settings are okay. Now we have King Rool. So now we will do a quick match with him.
Start battle.
And let's get started with this.
3,
Alright, let's go.
1, go!
So far only level 1 because we just scanned it in. I should put this against my Amiibo. Alright, so, oh shoot. Okay, Rool's not doing too good. There he goes. Oh, well, I was grabbing the wrong way. Push. Okay. Let's get it free. Oh, okay, just parried. Let's get an assist trophy. Also, comment down below what games you'd like you'd like to see me play. I'll put a few games up on screen probably, so you know what I have. And so you guys can put in the comments what you'd like to see me play. Yeah, I'll definitely be doing Smash Brothers stuff. It's one of my favorite games. Oh, there's. Okay, DK, or not DK, but DK Rool's level 4. So right now. Oh. Okay, you started headbutting. Frick. Not Spectrum. Oh. What am I doing? Okay, there we go. Oh. I'm working up B. Okay, that did not hit. Let's just snipe him. And there goes Carol. Oh, okay, what did I just do? Frick. Why do I keep, like... Yeah, why did he just use his armor? No, why I just dropped it? Oh, never mind. Let's go. We got the final smash. Oh, now I just need to get one more stock off.
Suffer me.
Oh. Oh wait, I died. Oh, I thought I was not paying attention. Up there. I missed the forward air. I missed the forward air again. And I got him with an up smash.
Donkey Kong wins!
And I won.
Alright guys, that'll be the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And comment down below if I should make a series where I train my Amiibo and stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.